Hello, guys. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Okay, so today, I saw this, kitchen chef in the UK with a UK visa sponsorship available in Rotterdam, and it's actually with a very good pay between 26,000 to 32,000 pounds per year. And you can see the benefits boldly written here is UK visa sponsorship. So if you know that you are capable and you have somebody who would like to embrace this job, please just share this information. Just share this video to people um in your cycle and let them enjoy this opportunity. Kitchen chef in the UK with visa sponsorship. All right, guys. Please don't forget to share. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. And thank you guys for always supporting. See you later in my next video. Bye. Yeah.